सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम MSc मैथमेटिक्स एंड MSc फिजिक्स फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर। कोर्स is discrete mathematics and session of today is graph theory. So graph appear in many areas of mathematics, physical science, computer science, and in many other areas. Graph theory can be applied to solve any practical problem in electrical network analysis, in circuit layout, in operations research, etc. By a graph, we always mean a linear graph because there is no such thing as a non-linear graph. Thus, in our discussion, we shall drop the adjective linear and will be a simple graph. First of all, definition of graph. Suppose graph G consists two sets. That is, first thing is vertices and another thing is edge. It is because in any graph there is two things exist. One of them is vertices and another is side. Any graph, these two things is very common. A set of object V vertices, that will be V1, V2, dot 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 Vn, whose elements are called vertices or point or nodes of G. A set E is equal to E1, E2, whose elements are called edges. We denote this system as a G bracket VE. G is a graph and V is the vertices and E is the edge. So this is called GVE. Graph GVE consists a set of objects where V vertices, all vertices lies on that particular graph, V1, V2, dot 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 Vn, and edges E is equal to E1, E2, dot 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 En, whose elements are called edges, such that each Ek is identified with an unordered pair Vi, Vg. Every edge is found by joining two consecutive vertices. The vertices Vi and Vj associated with the edge Ek are said to be end vertices of Ek, and both two vertices which edge is found by joining that vertices is called the end point. The graph defined above is also termed as the undirected graph or directed graph. The most common representation of graph is given by geometrical representation. So by geometrically we can represent a graph on a paper. So before knowing the graph, there is some particular terminology in this regard. So first thing is self loop. An edge is said to be self loop or simple loop if its both end vertices are same. End vertices are same. So self loop is in front of you. It is given by a loop. Here its end vertices both are same. कहने का आशय ये है कि ये लूप वर्टिसेस जहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा वहीं पे वो आके उसका ज्वाइनिंग होगी। इस प्रकार के ग्राफ को हम कहते हैं सेल्फ लूप। अनदर थिंग इज पैरेलल एज. इफ देयर आर टू और मोर देन टू एजेस हैविंग the same pair of end vertices, then such edges are called parallel edges. If both vertices have the same endpoints, both edges have the same endpoint, then such type of edges is called uh, parallel edges. In this figure you see edge E1, E2 and E3. E1 started from vertices V1 to V2. Again E2 is started from vertices V1 to V2. E3 start vertices from V1 and end from V2. So these three edges have same vertices, uh, terminal point and end point. So these E1, E2, E3 are called the parallel edges or multiple edges. Simple graph, a graph that has neither self loop nor parallel edge. अगर किसी ग्राफ में ना तो सेल्फ लूप हो और ना कोई पैरेलल एज हो, इस प्रकार के ग्राफ को हम सिंपल ग्राफ कहेंगे। और 4.3 फिगर में आप इसको देख सकते हैं। इसके बाद मल्टी ग्राफ, ए ग्राफ कंटेनिंग सम पैरेलल एज इज कॉल्ड मल्टी ग्राफ। In multigraph, no self loop are allowed. Only parallel edge is allowed in a simple graph. Suppose we have a simple graph in if and it allows the parallel edge, then it is called multigraph. And in this case, there should be no self loop. Next, pseudograph. A graph having some self loop is called the pseudograph. In figure 4.5 you can see there is two self loop, E4 and E5. So this is called the pseudograph. And another type of graph terminology is incident edge. Incident edge, let Vi be an end vertices of some edge Ej, then we say that the edge Ej is the incident on the vertices Vi. For example, figure 4.2, the edge E6, E7, E8 are the incident of vertices V4 in 4.2. So such type of edge is called the incident edge. Adjacent edge to non-parallel edge are called the adjacent if they are incident on the common vertex. एक ही वर्टेक्स से इनसे इंसिडेंट करने वाली जो रेज हैं उनको हम कहेंगे adjacent रेज. Adjacent vertices to vertices are called adjacent if there is an edge joining them. अगर एक ही एज दोनों वर्टिसेस को ज्वाइन कर रही हो, ऐसी स्थिति में हम उन दोनों वर्टिसेस को एडजेसेंट वर्टिसेस कहेंगे. ऑर्डर ऑफ द ग्राफ, द ऑर्डर ऑफ ग्राफ इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस इन जी. किसी ग्राफ में कितने वर्टिसेस हैं, दैट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर. डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स, द डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स Vi in graph G is equal to the number of degree which are incident on Vi with self loop counted twice. सेल्फ लूप को दो एज के बराबर काउंट किया जाएगा. डिग्री ऑफ वर्टिसेस Vi इन ग्राफ इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ एज विच आर इंसिडेंट ऑन Vi. उस वर्टिसेस के ऊपर कितनी साइड ज्वाइन हो रही हैं, और सेल्फ लूप ज्वाइन हो रहा है तो सेल्फ लूप को हम दो बार कंसिडर करेंगे. इस तरह से जितने भी एजेज इंसिडेंट होंगी उनका सम इज कॉल्ड द डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स. इट इज कॉल्ड द डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज रेगुलर ग्राफ. ए ग्राफ G in which all vertices are equal degree is called the regular graph. See in this figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there is 7 figure, and in each figure you have to find out the degree. In figure first every vertex has 1 degree. so it is the regular graph. In second figure, every vertex has 2 degree, then it is again regular. In third, every vertices has 2 degree, again it is regular. In third, every vertices has 3 degree. It is because on every vertices 3 edges are incident, so this is again regular graph. In graph figure number 5, every vertices has 3 degree, so it is again regular. Again graph fifth, every vertices has 4 degree. Here on every vertices 4 edges are incident, so it is called the regular graph. It is because every vertices has equal degree. Next, again here also every vertices has 3 degrees, so it is again regular graph. Next one, isolated vertex. Isolated vertex is a vertex of degree 0 is called the isolated vertex. अगर किसी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री 0 है, कहने का आशा ये फिगर से बिल्कुल आउटसाइड है, कोई एज उसको ज्वाइन नहीं कर रही है, इट मीन्स दैट kind of vertex is called the isolated vertex. Pendant vertex, if degree of vertex is only 1, then such type of vertex is called the pendant vertex. Null graph, a graph having no edge. Suppose any graph which has no edge, then such type of figure is a dotted figure. So there is some dots. Such type of graph is called the null graph. Again, the theorem, the sum of degree of all vertices in graph is equal to the twice the number of edge. किसी भी ग्राफ की सभी वर्टेक्स की जो डिग्री है वो उसके एजेस की जस्ट ट्वाइस होती है. दिस इज द statement of theorem. So proof, let G be any graph. G is a graph, V vertices, E edge. The graph G, order of E is E. Then we are proved that V belonging to V, degree of V is equal to 2E. Just double of twice of edges. Degree of sum of degree of vertices is the twice of edges. Where V belongs to the vertices, we shall prove the theorem by the induction approach, mathematical induction. With the help this theorem is proved with the help of the induction method. So in induction method, we have proved the statement for n is equal to 1, then n is equal to k. If then next step, if these 3 steps are owing the same rule, then we can say it is followed for all things. So step 1, if number of edge in G is 0, suppose there is no edge in the graph, there is no edge in the graph, then E, the value of E will be 0. So also in this case, degree of each vertex is 0. Here summation of degree of vertex will be 0. So degree of vertex is equal to, according to the statement, degree sum of degree of vertex is equal to 2 into edges. In this case, edges is 0, E is 0, then putting the value, so sum of degree is 0. Therefore the theorem is true for this case. If E is equal to 0, then summation of degree of vertex will be 0. Next step, if E is equal to 1, there is only one edge. So we are knowing well, if any graph it has only one edge, if any graph has only one edge, then there exist two vertices. So the summation of degree of vertices is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, or putting into the formula, summation of degree of vertex is equal to 2e, then e is 1, 2 into e again 2. So this is verified, and this statement is true for e is equal to 1, degree sum of degree of vertex is equal to 2 of e. This is again verified. So step 3, now assume that theorem is true for all graph having e minus 1 edge. It is supposing, we have to suppose in this case कि सपोज कीजिए ये e माइनस 1 के लिए ट्रू है, हम ये मान के चलेंगे कि दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर e माइनस 1, देन इट इज ट्रू फॉर e. It is supposing, so summation of degree of vertex will be 2e minus 1. It is true. Now add one additional edge in this graph, which is supposed in step 3. Then if we add one edge in this graph, one edge consists two vertices. So this statement is true, summation of degree of vertex is equal to 2e minus 1, and one side is added in this, then one side consists two vertices. So again addition of 2, then adding these 2e minus 2 plus 2 again 2e. Hence this statement, summation of degree of vertices is 2 of e. Hence theorem is completely established. Theorem is proved, completely proved. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.